Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our Gatorback mud flaps on a 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. These flaps are a great way to protect and improve the overall look of your vehicle. And the rear flaps in this kit are also compatible with the Jeep Grand Wagoneer. Currently though, the front flaps are not compatible with the Grand Wagoneer, due to its power running board. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started on the front of the vehicle. To start, remove the factory screw circled here. Then loosely secure the mud flap to the vehicle using a sheet metal screw and flat washer. With the flap roughly attached, hold your flap level with the vehicle. And using a marker, mark on the vehicle where the top hole of the mud flap sits. Then, mark where the lower inside hole of the mud flap sits. Once marked, move the mud flap aside and position the longer of the two supplied spring nuts over the lower mark. Then, using one of the strips of Durastrip supplied with your kit, position it over the marked area at the top of the fender as shown here. Now position the last spring nut in your kit over the marked area. The spring nut may be tight and needs some work to get into position, but the Durastrip you installed underneath it will protect the paint as you install the clip. Now loosely secure the mud flap to the top spring nut using a cap screw and small washer. Then loosely secure the bottom hole of the flap using a cap screw and an offset washer. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. We suggest you tighten this hardware by hand and be careful not to over tighten any of the fasteners. Finally, secure the last hole of the mud flap by installing an offset washer and self-tapping screw into the plastic extension on your vehicle. The safest way to install this is by hand with a wrench, but if you feel comfortable, you can use a drill to start the process. Just be careful not to strip the plastic. Congratulations, you've installed your front Gatorback mud flaps. Now let's move on to the rear of the vehicle. To start, remove the 3 factory screws circled here. Now attach your mud flap to the lower 2 holes of the vehicle using 2 sets of sheet metal screws and offset washers. As you attach the flap to these holes, make sure that you position 2 spacers on the back of the flap to ensure proper spacing. Now secure the top hole of the flap using the same hardware. This time only place 1 spacer on the back of the flap. With a square or other leveling tool, make sure the mud flap is level. We also recommend you take a step back and visually gauge the mud flap to check that it is aligned correctly. Once your flap is level, secure all fasteners. We suggest you tighten this hardware by hand and be careful not to over tighten any fasteners. Now we will attach the last hole on the mud flap. Using a 1/4 inch bit, drill through the last hole in the mud flap and into the liner of the vehicle. Attach the flap to this newly drilled hole using a cap screw and flat washer. Secure this hardware from behind using a flat washer, a lock washer, and a hex nut. This hardware can be seen fully installed in the following clip. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your Gatorback mud flaps. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.